Lumens, your reliable partner.
Installing a hard drive for the LC100 is straightforward. Here's how it's done. Follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. What you need. Your Lumens LC100 media processor is supplied with the required screws and cables. You'll need a 3.5 or 2.5-inch SATA hard drive and a PC to configure the settings. Step 2. Hard disk drive installation. Unplug the power supply from the unit to ensure that the unit is turned off. Now remove the top cover by unscrewing these 5 screws. Then remove the 4 screws which secure the hard drive plate. Now connect the cables to the hard drive. Make sure cables are aligned with the port prior to insertion. Do not force the connection to avoid damage to the port. Attach the hard drive to the metal plate using the supplied 4 screws. Please do not over-tighten the screws to avoid damaging the hard drive. Only use the screws provided. Screw the hard drive metal plate to the unit and plug the cables into the slots in the motherboard. Close the top cover and fasten the screws to complete the installation. Step 3. Hard drive settings. After installing the disk, turn the unit on. Now log into the LC100 web interface from your PC. Navigate to storage setting, then disk information to format the drive. Please note that formatting the drive will erase all data on the disk. The prompt, "Applied successfully," will be shown on the upper right corner when the process is complete. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.